Hi all. My today's video is about I am going to be using all the super affordable products that I own today to create a look. I'm going to keep it soft glam look, not too realistically. I will also be mentioning their original MRP and what discounted rate it is available at. So let's go. First, I'm going to use these concealers from Inside Cosmetics. I really enjoy the texture that this one has. And surprisingly, when I use this, I don't really have to use an orange concealer to cancel out anything because it takes care of it. I'm just going to take a little bit of it on my makeup sponge and apply it first, just to cancel out any darkness if there is. Okay, so this concealer is in the shade NC5 medium yellow, and the next concealer that I will be using to brighten my under eyes is in the shade NC3 rose ivory. Now this looks a little pink on me, which is why I only use it to brighten my under eyes just a little bit before I go in and add my foundation. It just makes my under eyes look a little lively. Yep, that's it. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. 330 used to be an exact match for me, but I think after they changed its formula, it looks a little bit darker on me now. No, it doesn't. It's pretty accurate. I do feel like this foundation is a bit heavy. I mean, the foundation has a pretty good coverage. So yeah, it is a bit heavy. Plus it's matte. Now the base is all done. So I'm going to move on to the eyes. This is the All Eyes on You eye palette from Inside Cosmetics. I've been using this for quite some time now, and this is my second palette. Back when I didn't have a lot of money, this was the only thing that I was relying on, and it has the most beautiful eyeshadow in the shade Purple Rain, which, by the way, if you apply as it is, it's going to give that soft glam look. So I'm gonna go in with that shade. As you can see, just see how beautiful that eyeshadow looks. What I love the most about this particular shade is that it would look so beautiful on literally every skin tone. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this Mars Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Dawn from their Blush R collection. It is quite pigmented. Oh my god, I might have applied a little too much. Blend it all out. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's gotta be. I just want my blush to be as I don't want the blush to be all out there. So I'm just going to add very little. I know that this blush looks like it's a washout on me, but after all the makeup is done, it looks really like subtle and beautiful. This is the only coral blush that I own, by the way. I'm gonna do my eyes, for which I'm going to use the Goo Goo Bear mascara. Now, the best thing about this mascara is that it is like this. The wand is very different and very unique than a normal wand. So it makes my eyelashes look very natural instead of this dramatic effect. There's a very slight difference, if you can see. I'm gonna go in with another coat. My eyelashes still look very natural. I always mess up my upper lid when I do apply my mascara, and I don't know why that is. Although I have really stable hands, I don't know what happens to me when it comes to applying mascara. This side is done. And as you can see, there's very slight difference. So, okay, so I'm done with both my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in and do my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Mars lip liner in the shade Scandalous Brown. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply this lipstick. This is from Faces Canada in the shade Natural Brown. I'm just going to add a little bit of it and not like a lot. I don't apply this lipstick as it is on me because it looks a little too orange. So I personally prefer pairing this with a good brown lip liner, and that's it. You know what? I'll go in and add a little lip balm, like a shiny lip balm. This one is also from Faces Canada. I'm just going to add a little for that shine. That's it. I'm kind of proud of it. So let me know your thoughts on this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.